Placement on vehicle, rear glass window left right. Fit for 1999 to 2006 Cadillac Escalade Chevy Suburban Tahoe GMC Yukon. Reference number 4185, PM 1099, SG 330025, 8196035, 13977, 2747MR, 4017LS, 3998LS, 15029087, 15029087, 15029088. Extended length, in, 18.06 compressed length, in, 11.31. Exact fit, OE quality design ensures easy installation and precise operation. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. This fit perfectly on my 2003 Suburban LT, removal and installation was simple. It has a lot of pressure, it pulls itself up when I open the window and requires some downward pressure to close the window. I love it, high quality product.